As a career coach and as a committee member of Women in Mining South Africa, I have the privilege of meeting some really interesting people on a daily basis. My name is Bryony Lieber, and in this conversation I'm interviewing Takalani Randima, the Managing Director of Shaft Sinkers, part of the United Mining Services Group. The mining industry and mining engineering, what inspired you firstly to join the mining industry and specifically to study mining engineering?
I wanted to be a doctor. I was supposed to be a doctor. If you look at the things I participated in when I was at school, it's competition in terms of medicine and research and things like that when I was still in high school. And then when I was in grade 12, I realized that everyone wanted to be a doctor. Okay. That's when I said, you know what, I need to be different. So that's when I chose mining. I didn't know anything about mining. My family...
No family in the mining industry?
No family in the mining industry.
And I would imagine when you were studying, mining engineering was something completely different, especially for women.
Yes, it was. I remember at university, they showed us a video and say, is this what you wanted? Then I started thinking, wow, is this what I want? And then my sponsor, which was Harmony then, they took us underground, and when we came out, they said, before you sign your contract, are you sure this is what you want? But looking at people, because by then we had already started interacting with people, then already I was in. I said, you know what, I will be able to make it in this industry.
So that's great. You got to see a bit about what a mine looked like, what it felt like before you actually signed up and went ahead with your studies.
Yes.
So what was it about that visit that excited you?
I think it was the people, because by then already we had already started interacting not only with the mining students, but with other metallurgy, geology, and other finance people, and also going underground, seeing you are looking at something different from what you are used to. And that thing in you to say, I want to be part of this world that I don't know. I think that's what fascinated me to say, you know what, maybe I can build a career into something like this.
And now you have built a career out of mining engineering.
Yes, but I didn't know how much the journey will entail.
Yeah, the things we can't see when we start out.
Yes.
What are some of the key transition points that stand out for you?
When I was at university, I'll go for vocational work. By then, it didn't feel like it's a lot, because anyway, you only do it for a certain period and then you stop and then you go back to university. But by the time I finished my degree, and when I entered that shaft sinking project, I was told, leave your degree at the gate. That was the first transition and the first reality, because I had to now go and clock in 12 hours with other people, not the special student that used to come on vacation, but now I'm part of the team.
It's a bit of a shock to the system, isn't it?
Yes. And not only just a team who's a graduate, but you are part of the lowest level in the mine. So that was a big transition to say, this is your reality now. So I will go and assist any person in any position.
But that's great. You got exposure to so many different things.
I was privileged because I got exposure from HR, from engineering, from artisans. I got to work with all different types of artisans. I got a chance, because it was a shaft sinking project, to start from the bank, to went to the winder house, to went into the stage, and also at the shaft bottom. I was an assistant on all those positions. So I had to embrace the fact that I know nothing about each particular activity. And I was able to learn from almost everyone in that shaft project.